Most citizens around the island would probably never heard of the CHOBS, a body formed to receive and investigate complaints from the public against government departments over services. This body was established in February of this year and based at the Justice Department that will overlook the overall process of complaints with different departments. However, liaison officers from each department were also appointed to receive formal complaints to the departments. According to Niue's Ombudsman Justin Kampala, the role of an ombudsman is to make sure complaints are heard and make recommendations to both parties to the best possible approach to take over each complaint. It is to encourage communication in favor of reaching a mutual positive agreement at the least level of conflict. Two representatives from the Pacific Ombudsman Alliance are also here on the island, and today they explain the importance of having a body that is independent to receive complaints. According to the representatives, it will probably be difficult for a small environment like that of Niue, but the Ombudsman must be vigilant in making sure each complaint is treated fairly and justified, and must always remember the objectives of its role. If any of the public wish for clarification of the role of the Ombudsman and its services and liaison officers for each government department, contact the Niue Justice Department. We will bring you more on this story at a later bulletin.